is Luis Lutahai.
Hello, привет, hola.
你好.
I'm from Spain, Córdoba.
My name is Lily from Hangzhou, a city in China.
I am Mario from Spain.
Eric. Where do you come from?
Hangzhou, China.
Brazil. My name is João, but in China I'm famous as Shula.
Maria, Chinese name Masha, Masha like the Masha, from Dnipro, Ukraine.
What are your hobbies?
Traveling, do some sports, making fun of Luis.
Traveling, surf, play chess.
Traveling, doing sports, and having fun with my friends.
I really like to play soccer. I like cooking paella, but the third one I really like is traveling around the world.
I like painting, swimming, and languages.
Traveling, surf, and before having girlfriend, girls. Which are the 3 best places that you have traveled in your life?
Barcelona, America, and Yunnan in China.
Florence in Italy, Kyoto in Japan, and the third one would be, of course, Hangzhou in China.
Qingdao province, China. US in Russia, airport.
Indonesia, Bali, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, around China, a lot of places.
Beaches in Brazil, Thailand, and Tibet in China.
Mentawais in Sumatra, Bali, and California. If you were an animal, which one would you be?
A monkey.
Why?
I like monkeys.
I'll pick dog. Yeah.
I would choose to be an eagle, probably because of the freedom. You can see everything from above and just traveling, no problems.
Kangaroo.
Why?
I don't know.
I will be a dolphin, definitely. I love them. They are super smart, they are always in the sea, and they have a big nose like me. So.
Rabbit. It's cute.
What about a fruit? Which fruit would you be?
Strawberry is super delicious and very easy to eat.
I like to be watermelon, I guess. Watermelon is fresh, it's round, it's summer, sun, beach, amazing.
I would be a kiwi, not for everyone.
Watermelon.
I will be a durian, Chinese durian. Because it smells very bad and nobody like it.
I don't eat much.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach. I'm a son of beach.
I'm a son of the beach.
Yes, I'm a son of the beach.
I love the beach. I am a real son of the beach. If you are interested to know more about us, subscribe or follow us or keep watching us because it's going to be fun. Hola! 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 Hola!
Therefore,